Hi, this is the Edpuzzle app. You could see now when you make the video and send it to students have to just type their name. So I'll type it as a shortcut. Let's see what comes up. You can see the questions which are available, where the questions are available. Now I'll begin here. You could see it's 7 minutes video. I have around 6 questions.
In our previous video, we defined several terms related to spherical mirrors. What are mirrors in which the curved reflecting surface is a part of a sphere are called spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors can be of two types. One in which reflecting surface is curved inwards, they're called concave mirrors, and the others in which the reflecting surface is curved outwards, they're called convex mirrors.
So you could see now I have to answer the question. The center of spherical mirror is called as so let's say I'll say pole. So let's say I'll say focus, and if it's a wrong answer, you could see it gives a wrong answer and I cannot move ahead. I have to
Mirrors. The center of the reflecting surface